In this lecture, we are going to see how we can unlock read-only Word and PowerPoint files. Let's first see how we can unlock PowerPoint files. First of all, create a password-protected PowerPoint file. You can go to Properties and in the Security tab, you can apply a password. Now change the file extension to zip. Open the zip folder in Windows Explorer or WinRAR. Look for the file presentation.xml and open it in the text editor. Now search for the content modify verifier and remove all contents within the tags. Save the file and then drag it to the actual archive and replace the original file. Change back the extension to pptx and your password will be removed. The procedure is nearly same for the Word files. First of all, prepare a password protected Word file. Change the file extension to zip. Open the zip folder in Windows Explorer or WinRAR. Now you need to look for the file settings.xml in the Word folder and open it in a text editor. Now for the Word file, we need to search for the content write protection. Remove all the contents within the tags. Save the file separately with the same name and then drag it to the actual archive and replace the original file. Change the extension back to docx and your password will be removed. Let's see the actual demonstration. First of all, create a PowerPoint file. Write something in it and save it. Now, while saving it, go to General Options, Tool and give it a password. Now, once you open it, you can see that it is password locked. Now change the file extension to zip. Right click on it and open it with Windows Explorer. Now go to the zip folder and search for the file presentation.xml. Drag the file to your desktop. Right click on it and open it with the text editor. Now search for the content modify verifier and remove all the content within the tags. Save the file and drag the file back to the archive. Now change the file extension back to pptx. Now open it and you can see that our password has been removed. Now let's create a Word file. Save the file and give it a password to modify. Close it and to check whether the password has been applied, open the file again and you can see that it says enter password to modify or open in read-only mode. Close it, change the file extension to zip. Right click on it and open with Windows Explorer. Now drag the settings.xml file to the desktop. Right click on it and open with Notepad. Search for write protection and remove all the content within the write protection tags. Save the file and drag the file back to archive. Now change the file extension back to docx. Open it and you can see that our password has been removed. I hope you liked the lecture and see you in the next lecture.